Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing risk. Turn off the breaker feeding the doorbell so you won't get shocked. Once the power is off, grab a small Phillips and a T5 Torx plus a trim tool for prying. Make sure the Nest app is open so you can confirm the device state and battery level. This helps you know whether the unit is battery or wired and prevents surprises. Begin by locating the security screw at the bottom. You'll remove that first to unlatch the faceplate. Once the security screw is out, tilt the bottom of the Nest doorbell away from the wall and pull the unit forward while supporting its weight. You want to avoid yanking on wires. If the device is wired, you'll see 2 terminal screws. Loosen them and label each wire so reconnection is simple. For battery models, press the release tab and slide the unit off the mount. Make sure you don't pinch or crimp any wires as you extract the backplate. With the doorbell off the mount, remove the mounting plate screws and pull out any wall anchors. Once the plate is gone, inspect the exposed wires and cap them individually with wire nuts or wrap with electrical tape. This prevents shorting. Replace the wall patch or leave the plate off. After that, restore power at the breaker and test the circuit. If you see the doorbell not powering, check that wire nuts are tight. Loose connections are the most common issue and easy to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.